today I'm doing a collaboration with Ashley from Create Craft Costume, and she has created a 12-drawer advent calendar for Christmas that is Harry Potter themed, and I have created 12 items that are going to go inside the drawer, and all of it is able to be won by you. Here are the 12 items that I have created for the advent calendar. So each day you'll be able to pull out a different magical item, whether it is a mini winter potion or a magical ornament for your Christmas tree. I have one of my gold leaf chocolate frog ornaments that I also sell on my Etsy store. I have a mini version of my freezing potion, a mini version of my mint potion, 4 Ministry of Magic memo ornaments, a mini version of my pine needles potion, a version of my ice potion, and my mistletoe berries potion, this super cute gold baby niffler ornament, as well as one of my Harry Potter acceptance letter ornaments. Again, this is available on my Etsy store as well. And the cool part about this is it has a magnetic closure, and you can open it up, and it actually has the letter to Harry, as well as the supply list of things that he needs for his first year at Hogwarts. So this super cute holiday giveaway is going to run from today, November 5th, until November 19th at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To be eligible to win this, you will need to subscribe to both Ashley's channel, which is Create Craft Costume, and I have put a link to that down below, as well as my channel here. And you'll leave a comment on Ashley's video answering the question, what would you like to see in an advent calendar? Then you can earn extra entries by following Create Craft Costume on Instagram and following me, Cooking and Craft Chick, on Instagram. To be eligible to win this giveaway, you need to be a resident of the United States and you need to be at least 13 years of age or older. I have listed all the details in the description down below. To see the full advent calendar, go check out Ashley's channel, Create Craft Costume, where she created the 12 drawers of the advent calendar. And then here I have created all of the items that are going to go in those drawers. And that's going to be it. I hope you guys are super excited about this. This is a fun thing for me to put together, and I'm excited to collaborate with Ashley from Create Craft Costume. And it's kind of funny that we're both C, and C. So, and both of us are A's. She's Ashley and I'm Andrea. So it's kind of funny. But go give her some love. Support her channel. She's got some really great things. She sent me this really, really cute Ravenclaw pillowcase a while back. Very talented, super creative. So go check her out. And if you're on Instagram, go get those extra entries by following both of us over there. So if you guys have any questions or comments, write those down below. Good luck to all of you. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.